Can a simple piece of plastic and leather truly transform your daily commute in a Benz? This Gakivit shift knob promises to take the often overlooked interior detail of your A or B class and inject some serious driving passion. We're looking at the Gakivit replacement shifter, specifically designed for the Benz A and B models, the W176 and W246, spanning 2012 through 2018. Now the original Benz knob is fine, but let's be honest, it's often a bit generic. Gakivit claims their design is significantly more ergonomic, and after spending some time with it, I have to agree. The contour fits the palm much better than the stock unit, making those frequent shifts in traffic feel noticeably smoother and less fatiguing. This isn't just about comfort, though, it's about precision. The manufacturer highlights a shorter shift stroke, and while this isn't a full short shifter kit, the design minimizes the required hand movement. This subtle change makes the car feel instantly more responsive and sporty, enhancing acceleration performance simply by making the action of shifting quicker and more decisive. Appearance-wise, this is a fantastic way to personalize your interior. The unique design and material choice, even in the standard color, elevate the cabin aesthetic, matching the luxury feel while adding a touch of custom flair. It genuinely enhances the driving atmosphere, creating that stronger sense of connection and vitality you want in a performance-oriented vehicle. And here's the best part: installation convenience. If you're worried about complex modifications, don't be. This is a simple plug-and-play replacement. You remove the old knob, pop this one on, and you're done. The fact that Gakivit often includes the necessary tools and detailed instructions means even a novice car owner can complete this upgrade easily. For a relatively small investment, you get a massive improvement in tactile feedback and interior style. This is a highly effective, low-effort upgrade that delivers on its promises of improved feel and aesthetics for the Benz A or B class owner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.